Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Remifemin Estrogen-Free Menopause Relief 120 count. Stopped hot flashes like instantly checked with Myopgen, and this is a safe alternative to other hot flash meds. Order again. Taken twice a day, Remifemin takes a few weeks to build up before you notice your hot flashes gradually decreasing in intensity, then decreasing altogether. But in my early 40s, the mood swings were getting more drastic and more difficult to deal with for me and my family. The box claims that within 4-7 days many women experience a difference, and within 2 weeks most women experience a drastic improvement. This product is working, between the hot flashes and night sweats and grumpiness from hormones. This product is a good price for providing such a welcome relief. It's not a miracle drug, but it definitely dramatically reduced the frequency and severity of the night sweats and hot flashes. Thank God there is something out there that helps me feel like my old self again without resorting to a prescription for estrogen. This took about 1 week to eliminate my new crazy hot flashes that were making me so miserable. It was getting harder and harder to control my temper, and my 8-year-old twins were watching mom go nuts. Been taking this for about 8 months, and it is the only thing that actually helps with night sweats and hot flashes. Please note this product is not for women who have had any type of female cancer, breast, uterine, any type of hormone-based cancer. Most of these products say that you need to allow some time for them to be effective, and this one seems to be no exception. This, coupled with the mycobotanicals woman, seem to make a big difference for my newly acquired moodiness, as well as decreasing the frequency of migraines and crampiness. Of course, if you have severe symptoms or other chronic medical issues, you should check in with your primary care provider, GYN, or a licensed naturopath. First, make sure you know the difference between a licensed naturopath and unlicensed one. Always assure yours is licensed. Haven T had a night sweat or hot flash in 2 months. Lifesaver. A box of the Remifemin S Night Remedy is next to try. Whoever figured out that black cohosh restores the balance of these hormones should win the highest award ever issued in the history of the world. Recently there was an expose on TV. The upshot: most of the black cohosh on the market is not present in the bottles you buy. Then having to be at work at 5 a.m. 7 days a week and not getting but 1, maybe 2 hours of sleep a night, and that no exaggeration. It is made in Germany, where herbs are regulated like drugs, so you can be assured each dosage is the exact 20 milligrams needed, which is why it is the only brand recommended by gynecologist. Trouble sleeping, returning hot flashes, mood swings, all the fun stuff seems to be somewhat evened out with the addition of this product. You hear all the time psychiatrists alternating meds for their patients because they're not a correct cocktail. You may find a combination that works for you because never mind those hot flashes, it's those damn mood swings and crazy all over feeling. The only difference is Remifemin does not have the vitamins in them that Estrogen does, but that is fixed with a bottle of multivitamins. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.